Welcome to the AI Beat, your daily dive into the fast-moving world of artificial intelligence and data. If staying ahead of disruption matters to you, hit subscribe to our newsletter and let tomorrow's tech headlines meet you today. Now, let's get into the May 30th pulse of AI innovation. It's not often that a single certification makes waves across the executive suite, but that's exactly what Google Cloud just did. They've introduced a generative AI leader certification tailored for non-technical managers. This isn't about turning execs into engineers. It's about preparing leaders to understand and shape AI-driven change. From large language models to workplace transformation, the message is clear. AI literacy isn't optional anymore. It's the new baseline for modern leadership. And if Google is rewriting the skill set for leadership, Microsoft is reimagining the development stack. At Build 2025, they spotlighted their next wave of AI agents. GitHub Copilot is becoming increasingly autonomous, and the introduction of the Model Context Protocol in Windows 11 signals a shift toward an agentic web. Think of it as infrastructure for intelligent systems, coding, integrating, and adapting without constant human supervision. The shift here is profound. AI agents aren't just assistants anymore, they're becoming co-creators. Now let's talk about the kind of AI that doesn't just change industries, it saves lives. Prepared, a startup building AI for emergency response, just raised $80 million. Their tech supports 911 call triage and real-time translation, already serving over 100 million people. This is where AI moves from concept to mission-critical infrastructure. Real-time decisions, real-world stakes, public safety, upgraded. Healthcare too is being rewritten by AI, but in quieter, equally transformative ways. Abridge AI is reportedly in talks to raise $300 million at a $5.3 billion valuation. Their focus? Transcribing and structuring medical conversations. It's a less flashy corner of healthcare, but it addresses one of the industry's biggest pain points: documentation. When doctors talk, Abridge listens and turns those conversations into usable, trustworthy clinical data. Zooming out from health to hardware, Hugging Face is pushing AI into the physical world. They've open-sourced two new robot designs, HopeJR and Reachy Mini. By opening the specs, they're empowering the community to explore, build, and iterate. This isn't just open-source software, it's open-source robotics, and it hints at a future where anyone can contribute to the evolution of machines that move, sense, and interact with the world. In the world of big data, Databricks just stepped up their game. With Runtime 17.0, Apache Spark 4.0 is now live, bringing enhanced compliance and usability features. That means smoother analytics workflows and stronger performance for large-scale processing. The signal here? As data workloads grow, the underlying engines are becoming smarter and more aligned with enterprise needs. Meanwhile, Sisense is giving business users a front-row seat to AI-powered insights. Their new suite, simply called Intelligence, brings generative AI directly into the analytics experience. It's about turning raw data into instantly understandable business signals. No technical deep dive required. Democratizing data isn't a buzzword anymore, it's a product. And speaking of democratization, BuildOts is applying AI to a sector often left behind in digital transformation: construction. With $45 million in fresh funding, BuildOts is streamlining project tracking and boosting site efficiency. Construction may seem analog, but when you introduce machine vision and real-time analytics, it becomes a data-rich environment ready for optimization. Still, no AI transformation succeeds without strong data foundations. That's where Anomalo comes in. Their new Workflows feature brings structure to the unstructured, helping organizations monitor and maintain data quality across cloud storage and warehouses. The lesson: AI doesn't just need data, it needs reliable, well-governed data to work properly. That brings us to a final note on governance. Dataflip.co is calling attention to 2025 data governance goals. The core idea? Align your governance strategy with actual business needs. Compliance, trust, and clarity aren't just regulatory checkboxes. They're essential for scaling AI initiatives with confidence. So whether you're leading teams, building tech, saving lives, or laying pipelines for the future, today's stories show one thing clearly. AI isn't a side project anymore. It's core infrastructure for decision-making, communication, safety, and scale. Let us know what caught your attention. And if you're not already getting these insights in your inbox, now's the time to subscribe. Stay sharp, stay informed, stay in the beat.